check out new Falz and Tekno. Was there a video to this, by the way? I think there was. Anyway, but yeah, man, Falz, it's been, I mean, after the album, it's not been too many releases, I would say. After the not too exciting album, not gonna lie. He had Naira and Pounds, Naira 2 pounds with Zoro. And then, yeah, that was not a bad release whatsoever. And then Tekno is on this as well. Tekno clearly just been putting out material after material after material. Dropped 9 singles last year. He's already coming with, I think this is the second so far in the year. Or his third, maybe. He has been on one side. Yeah, his second. Okay. Or his third now. It seems like it's his third. Yeah, man. He dropped another one. Bro, I missed this one. I need to add this to the pile. Yeah, man. Tekno is busy. Tekno is yeah, he's aggressive with it. He's just getting as much as he can out. Anyway, let's check out Owa, Falz and Tekno. Let's get it. Okay.
It's so tempted back everybody like a sardine. With the Galivanti up and down. Forget to say, but you know be machine.
This is your quintessential AFROBEATS kind of bounce here. We're already hearing all this. This feels like a Tekno record. It feels like Tekno even produced it. Okay. For I guess non-Yorubas or I guess maybe even non-Lagos people. I'm curious. Outside of Lagos, what do the buses look like? Do the buses also have a signature look like Molo's? I've never even thought about it. In PH, what does the bus system look like in PH? Or in Abuja SF? I mean, I've been to this place just anyway, in the cover art you can see Moloe. And the premise essentially is calling your stop, essentially. And they're calling names of places, names of bus stops. And they're just saying, oh wow. Essentially it means that's my stop, let me come off. And I think Falz is connecting that to like, I guess the sentiment of you don't do, like Buhari era has ended, like we're good here, let's move on to something else, you know what I mean? Yeah, anyway, I'm getting the vibe, man. The pocket is heavy, it's really in that quintessential sound that you'd expect for a techno song in 2016, 2017. He has that vintage techno, you know. Okay.
With the cure anything, it the cure poverty, bring prosperity. Penitence. Every day we they see many things.
Nah, it's talking about false prophets. People are coming to promise the entire world now. Obviously, it's an election campaign, so they're going to promise for everybody. I mean, that's their objective now, is to promise everything. And I feel like they can cure every situation. I think that's why it's kind of connecting this verse to, if I'm not mistaken.
It's a critical reaction. Why can't you not get information?
Tekno!
Fire information. Population day for prostitution.
What's in the back? The transition is cold. Hey!
The way she was supposed to wear designer, but she know be baller. She know the banner. I talk my own, I don't they go.
Come on.
The driver, the conductor, say waka.
They do us so juru.
Stop the motor, I need to come down.
Hey, that's okay, I didn't expect to enjoy a song that is on in making a lot of reference even from the time of release to the sentiment around it. Like, it's connected so well to social justice to be this enjoyable. Like, it's not to say like they cannot be enjoyable, but bro, this guy's made it fun. They made it fun to listen to. Definitely a pocket you can dance to. This is your quintessential techno pocket, you know. Like songs like what's techno joints, you know what I mean? Like Enjoy, like Go. Even recently, Skeleton. What's that one that was like, yeah, man, talk about your techno records. Like this feels right down the alley. Like, this is exactly what you'd expect from that vibe. And it was just so easy for him. It was a breeze. It was just a easy flex for techno. And the cadence coming in there and how the beat now transitioned him out of that was was cold. Chills added some extra elements there towards the end. Like it was a fun record. Falz had a very neat cadence too in the first verse, and then obviously making a lot of references that are quite subtle to the obvious fact that we're having elections coming up now, and it kind of like puts you in a setting of a Molue bus, like you're traveling and you're calling for your bus stop, and then it's talking about people. You know how those hawkers, people usually hawk inside the bus to try to sell you medicine or sell you something. Essentially, it's calling that as a reference towards the politicians. Like it's a very brilliant song in a lot of sense, man. Like it's a very fun song too to listen to, man. That was great from Falz and Tekno. I see them, man. That was solid.